What's going on, guys? It's Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today I wanted to talk with you guys about improving the brake system on the Gen 6 ZX10R. This is a 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. So as far as improving the brake system, the first thing that we did with this bike is go ahead and change out the factory brake lines, which are rubber lines, for these beautiful Moto stainless steel brake lines. And I did change them in the front as well as in the back. I'll give you a view of the rear brake line as well. There you go. So yeah, changing out the factory brake lines, which are rubber, for the stainless steel brake lines, which I got this set from Moto. Like I said, it just significantly improves the feel of the braking and the performance of the braking for the motorcycle. Some reasons you would want to switch these out to stainless steel lines: like I said, the factory lines are rubber. Rubber is going to expand more under pressure. So when you are doing, any kind of braking, especially heavy braking, you're going to get a much more vague and not as responsive feel with the factory lines, because they're expanding with the brake fluid. With the stainless steel lines, they don't expand as much, so you're going to get a much more, much better feedback from the braking system. Much more responsive, and it's not going to be vague or mushy or anything like that. So that's the main reason that you would want to switch these out. Other reasons include, the stainless steel lines are going to last a lot longer. You're not going to have to worry about the durability of the rubber, which is an issue with rubber lines, is they can break much more easily. These have stainless steel mesh liner inside of them, and that's part of what helps prevent these from expanding in the same way the rubber lines do. So durability is much better with the stainless steel lines, and that could be important to you if you're a track rider, or if you're just someone who rides on the street. So that's definitely another reason you would want to switch these out. Like I said, you're going to get a much firmer feel on that brake lever, and that's in the front and the back. But especially it matters for the front, where you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on that on the brakes. So this significantly improves the braking system. This specific system, like I said, it's from Moto. Moto, all their products are made in USA, so I really appreciate that and like that about them. But beyond that, Moto makes a lot of parts for very high level riders. So as far as the the reputation and the quality of parts these guys put out is top level. A lot of the Moto America guys use Moto, so great company and made in USA. Don't really have to say anything more about that. But yeah, as far as the durability goes, durability and the braking feel, this is going to really make a huge difference. This specific system is called the 3T-E system by Moto, if you're interested in purchasing it. And basically, I'll give you guys a view up under there by the triple. You can see the lines come down from the master cylinder and kind of split off. I do have them zip tied to the triple, split off into two separate brackets, and then come down on either side. Installation is super simple. It's just a direct replacement of the lines. So yeah, there you go. That's about it. It comes in at about 150 bucks. I'll also show you guys some of the customization options here, because you can really customize these lines exactly how you want to your specific liking as far as colors go. So I'll just show you guys as far as customization and matching these lines up with the look of your bike. You have so many options available for you. So even for just like the fitting color right here, you can see you have all these different colored options for the fitting. And then not even just changing the fitting color, you can also change the line color. And so you can see here, you can have, you know, red, yellow, clear, all the even translucent colors. So, you know, any color you're looking for your brake lines, pretty much Moto is gonna have. And you can really get these lines to match up with the exact look of your bike. These lines look good, they perform well, and they definitely add an improvement to the braking system of the ZX10R. So give you guys another little look at them real quick, and there you go. So yeah, we're going to be doing some other things to upgrade the braking system of this Gen 6 ZX10R, but just starting off right from the jump, changing out the brake lines from the rubber ones on this to the stainless steel is going to add a definite improvement to the braking system. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot more mods to this bike and continue upgrading it. So if you're interested in keeping track of that and seeing the progress on this machine, be sure to subscribe to the channel and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of the look of this bike so far.